I'll cooperate in the future. Maybe Young Thug having a conversation.
You know, alright. If you complain about snitching, cause of that you do. That your blood clot do. You're a hypocrite. All I would is a burn out 6ix9ine. And I said 6ix9ine this, 6ix9ine. Him say, that man did right. That country 6ix9ine did right. Hold on a fake. Hold on a nonsense. Hold on a 6ix9ine did right. 6ix9ine did right.
With police without his lawyer in the first place is to show how quote unquote cooperative he can be. Maybe he's worried about his name being connected to this whole shooting. So he's saying, look, if you get more info, just hit me up first and I'll clear it up for you, which is basically the job of